super duper crying.
I for ice cream, yummy and sweet. I for ice cream, what a tasty treat.
Hello, little friends. Welcome back. I for ice cream. Let's draw and paint together. Hit the like button and subscribe for more fun and colorful videos. Great job! Now I'm using this black marker to make this awesome drawing more attractive and beautiful. Finally, it's time to color. Let's start coloring together. Pink. Brown.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now
Wow, amazing! See you next time with new fun and colorful videos. Bye bye, little artists.